Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Audi MMI Easy Guide. Start by identifying your MMI model and software level, then perform a safe power cycle and check fuses. Note any error codes and record symptoms before proceeding with resets or updates. I will walk you through simple diagnostic steps, common fuse and cable checks, and when to try a soft or hard reset. Stay calm and methodical for best results. Begin diagnosing by reproducing the fault and noting exact behavior and error messages. Use the MMI menu diagnostics or an OBD2 reader to capture error codes and photograph screens for reference. Visually inspect the fuse box, ground points, and cable connections behind the glove box and nav unit. Look for loose antenna or media cables and water intrusion. These simple checks often reveal wiring or fuse issues that are easy to fix at home. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings easy voice control and music to your workspace, and it pairs nicely when testing audio outputs or Bluetooth on your MMI. I like its compact size and crisp sound, perfect for a garage or bench area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Try a soft reboot first by holding the volume and 2 menu buttons for 10 seconds, then check behavior. If that fails, consider a controlled hard reset or reinstalling firmware from a USB update following Audi guidance. Replace any blown fuses with the correct amp rating and repair corroded connectors using proper tools. If navigation files are corrupt, restore from a backup or seek a clean image. When in doubt, stop and consult a pro to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.